Hey, how's it going? I wanted to do a video on the installation for these taillights I got from Anzo. They're LED smoked taillights, and looking on the internet I couldn't find anything on how to install them. It seems pretty basic, however it'd be nice to have a guide. I kind of was just started unscrewing things and kept my fingers crossed, and it worked out. So I want to do this little video here to hopefully I can help somebody out. So let's get right to it. So on this is a Ford F-250. It's 2017. I guess that's important. So how you get this stock tail light off is you have two screws here, and I'm using a 8mm socket, and they just simply come out. Now that I got those screws out, it's simply, you just got to pop them out. And you think you're going to break them, but you're not. And as you can see, they're just pop outs here. This one looks like the whole assembly came out, so I got to get that off. So inside here you got three connections, and they're just plugs. You just gotta depress this tab here and kind of work them out. Sometimes they're a little sticky. They got dirt in there and all kinds of stuff. Make it a little difficult to get them off. Just gently use a screwdriver here. There we go. Now it's a good idea to take note of where you're unplugging from. I don't think it matters, but it might matter. So make sure you know which one's the top, because there's three of them, and two look exactly the same. The top and the bottom look exactly the same. The middle one's kind of obvious, but the top and the bottom look exactly the same. So it may not be a bad idea to try to keep an eye on where those are going. So see, that one came pretty easy. And something I noticed here too is that the bottom one is longer, so that might be a good way to identify which one goes where. So when I was taking this off also, you can see this is what it should look like. And what I did was I pulled out the whole grommet in there, which the retention grommet. So I got to figure out a way to get that off there and reinstall it back into the truck. So when I do that, I'll get back on and we'll go to the installation. Well, that was a pain in the ass. What I had to use was a real small screwdriver and kind of just gently pry it off, because it's something you don't want to ruin, or the other tail light won't go in and won't seat correctly. So these lights don't come with any instructions. If you go to the Anzo website, like with the headlights, I did the Anzo switchback headlights on this thing. The instructions were online. This, it just says coming soon, so you're kind of just flying by the seat of your pants. But so what this thing has, which is interesting, and don't ask me what they are because I have no clue, but they come with these three components here, and they have 3M sticky on it. And so what I had to do with the other light was I had to have somebody hold the actual assembly, and then while I found the spot, what I did was I peeled it back one at a time and stuck it on the inside of the housing here, kind of out of the way, because you got to fit in these the actual plugins, and that worked pretty well. It gets to be a tight fit because they're not stretchy, and they don't you can't unfasten them and then refasten them once you got them secured. So so we got to do some weird angles, but it worked for me on the other side. So that's what we're going to do. And again, it's just like the other one. All you got to do is you're going to find the rubber grommets that these go into and seat it after you've got all this plugged in. And we'll go, once we get there, we'll come back. I found something interesting on this. It didn't seem to be a problem on the other side, but it seems to be a problem on this side. I don't know why. So this top one here is having a hard time going in because it's this plastic here is preventing me from being able to seat it straight on. So if all you gotta do is just take this and turn it, and this is a way you can pull out and access those wires and all that good jazz inside there. And you can only put it back on one way. So turn it and then plug it in, and then tighten it back, and it fits right in. So, all right, so we got the components there glued or attached to the inner side of this compartment here, and we're going to get the light on for the final installation. So as you can see, you got this here, and it goes into these little rubber grommets. Just line them up and push them in. They'll just pop right in like that, and then the rest, all you need to do is to screw in these, or put these bolts back in, and then you're done. Okay, so a little bit of a tip here. Just keep in mind that these are metal bolts going into plastic housing, so you want to be careful not to over tighten, because you don't want to strip out that plastic and leave that loose. So, all right, so this is the final product. As you can see, they look pretty cool. I went ahead and blocked out my license plates so none of you try to find me and ask for my autograph. Look pretty cool. And I'm going to do a function test here real quick. So there's the blinker for that side. Blinker for that side. You see, it's very visible. Stop lights. And then reverse lights. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the final product. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And if you liked it, hit a like, leave a comment. I'm not a mechanic, so if you're being critical, be nice. I don't mind constructive criticism, but be nice just the same. So I hope you guys all have a blessed day. And again, I hope to help you guys out. Take care.